In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for a Jazzcash credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to jazzcash.com.pk. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once I'm here, it should be looking something like this once you get inside of the website. Once from here, you'll need to scroll down until you'll be able to see get your Jazzcash debit card right now, and then click order now. Once from here, a new page will open up where you can order a card, and then from here you'll get your personalized debit card, or if you already placed an order, you can check your order status by clicking here and then log into your account. Now once from here, you'll simply need to click order now, and then from here, this page will open up where you'll be able to choose a specific card. And Jazzcash offers two different debit cards, either a Mastercard debit card or a PayPal debit card. And you can read about everything right here, and you can apply for each of one of these if you want to do that. But from here, you'll simply need to click apply now to the specific one you want to apply for, and the verification or account verification will pop up. We'll be able to see account verification step 2 out of 5, and then go down to mobile account number. Here you'll need to enter in your mobile account number and CNIC number. Now once you've done that, you'll simply need to click next, and then from here you'll need to enter in your customer information, and this is your full name, address, etc, etc, etc. And lastly, you'll need to go over to payment and then pay for the credit card. Once from here, you'll get an order confirmation that you have confirmed the order of the specific credit card and that it will be sent to you. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!